here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications and give me a huge thumbs up. Because today, I already made my slime, but it's too late for watching it. I'm going to make some more slime. But no, I'm not. I just opened this one. That's a little beaver, whatever it is. And then I got a little monkey. And I got a little bear with blue tail. And then I got slime. I finally got slime. Okay, anyways, I'm going to show you my slime. So the first I added in it is these little blue and little star thingies that are rainbow. And then I added the balls, the little tiny balls that are right here, as you can see. And then I added one of these two of these little tiny pretties, horses, unicorn horses, whatever ones that you can call it. And I got purple and yellow of the unicorn horses, whatever they are. And yeah. Anyways. Oh, I forgot to open this. Guys, you're not here. What was this one for? Ha ha ha. Oh, you worry. I'll leave this for in a minute. It's like in the other videos, don't remind me because this is pretty slime and it's just pink. I just stuck my fingers in there, if you know that. Yeah, and I got skin on every single one that I did. And then when I was little, I made a little video and I didn't even put it on YouTube. Because I didn't know how. But now I know. I'm gonna add it before. It's not my fault that I did that. Because I didn't even do it on purpose. He's not even talking right now.
I'm concentrating.
Yeah, he's concentrating. I'm making too much videos because the one that I did that was very, very loud that last time, it was not even on. So it was literally not even on. What I did! Stickers, guys. Stickers. And then I got this. I didn't even use a spoon, so don't dare me. Guys, this is pretty slime. What do I put this in? No. Oh, you. These stickers.
I think they're used for something, so don't take all of them off.
I know what they're used for. They're used for this. Guys, as you can see, I'm going to put a lot of stickers on here. Falling down. I'm going to probably do very bad. Because I don't know. Okay, that's the first sticker. Stick over here. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle. I'm going to surprise y'all, okay? I'm going to surprise y'all. Jingle all the way. I would start the mysteries in the web. I got that. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. It was riding Christmas out in the hills of one.
Sarah, what are you singing?
Nothing.
I don't know how it goes.
Whee! Guys, stop looking. Okay, don't try to look. Oh, it's about
Sarah, can you be quiet, please? And I'll do 4 now. They are for, there's a banana one, troop. Ma! Can you come and help me? Just come and help me. Mom. What?
Come here. Can you help me? Do this and do that and do this and do that.
It's like a little gun, right? Watch this.
Oh.
And then she tells us to repeat it too.
Why did you put stickers on here? They don't go on here.
Yes, they do.
I don't know how this goes.
Read the directions.
I'm done with this, Mom. Zero. Who's going around? Oh, this.
You put the stickers on too soon. These don't go in here. Hey, you need to turn it off.